said I'm bad to be and what you need. What am I supposed to be? What you gonna do with me? You think that you're easy to please, which is hard to believe. I don't wanna be the first one to tell you I got shit up my sleeve, and I'm not gonna be molded into gold for your cabinet collection or anything for that matter. I'm not your prized possession. Think you better think again when it comes to me. Is it to be or is it not to be? No. Baby, baby. Is it to be or is it not to be? Baby, baby. Maybe you just haven't got the memo yet, trying to get it in your head. Life is more than watching the smoke burn from your cigarette, doing things you will regret. I know you will, I know your problems will remain after you swallow that pill, but you're just doing it anyway, blaming me for things that I didn't say. Could've left by now, but I chose to stay. Honestly, I'm scared to let you run astray. Baby, baby, no. Is it to be or is it not to be? No. Baby, baby, no. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. Baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, 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 is it to be or is it not to be? Baby.